What's up, Justin Bedcard here, and I'm gonna do my damn bike. Here it is. And I'm gonna do my bike check. Okay, this is the DK pack frame from 06. I got the Fit Sky Highs, Fit DAC grips, a little worn down. Got my Animal jump off stem. Got my DK race forks. Got the premium front rim I painted yellow, looking pretty sweet. Got my Fit seat, no, not Fits, S&M clamp, stupid, and normal seat post. Got the KMC chain, got the Primo Annihilator sprocket, got the DK cranks, got the Fit pedals, and I swear to you, if you do not have Vans on, these pedals don't work. Okay, got the Haro rear rim. Okay, sounds pretty sweet. Got my Miraco pegs, my FBM hub guard on the back, and I got Fit FAFs. Indeed. I got green active pants, Hanes white tee, and a blue beanie.